In this video, we're going to take a look at kits and walk through the different types of kits we have here at Stadium, how to set them up, and what your recipients will experience. Kits are a great way for you to let your employees, clients, or community members with curated items you pre-selected from your swag inventory or your custom on-demand designs. Kits can be used for new hire onboarding, birthday gifts, company retreats, and can be used when needed or with an automation or campaign. Stadium has two types of kits: kitted swag boxes. This option lets you bundle items purchased from our Swag Magic catalog, as well as any swag you've already owned, and store it in our warehouse in New York. These items can be packed and shipped worldwide. You can elevate the experience with customizable note cards, box stickers, packaging, and even a fully branded box. With on demand swag kits, you can select items for your virtual swag designs, and they may ship separately as recipients redeem their items. This option gives you flexibility while ensuring each recipient receives their chosen swag seamlessly. In the next section, I will show you how to set up both kit types. Let's get started with kitted swag boxes. Before setting up a kitted swag box, we will need swag in your inventory. The swag can be purchased from our Swag Magic catalog here or from items you have sent to our warehouse. If you need more information on how to purchase items, please watch the swag video. Once you have items in your swag inventory, head over to Kits and Items by clicking on the box icon on the left navigation bar, then click on Create a Kit. Then select Kitted Swag Boxes. This will filter the products to display only the items that you have in your inventory. From here, you can select the items you would like to include in the kit by clicking on the product and then adding it to the kit. If you're using a custom box or packaging, please add them as well. Once you're done selecting the items, click View and Send. On this page, you can rename the kit so you can easily identify it for the future. Review the items added, and then click on Next. You'll now choose how the recipient received this gift. There are going to be two options: recipient redeemed or surprise recipient. With recipient redeemed, recipients will enter their own details like address or sizes through a secure link. You will add the number of recipients for US and global. Now it's time to add your recipients. Stadium uses email addresses as a unique identifier, so no one can redeem more than once using the same email. You can paste emails directly or upload a CSV using our template. With these options, you will assign their roles within your workspace. You can also pick from your existing contacts, including past recipients, or contact syncs through your HRS or ATS. If you need to narrow down the list, you can use the Add Filter tool to make it simple. Also, if you do not have your list quite ready yet, you can add them after the order is complete. We'll go over this in the Manage Your Order chapter. If you added global recipients, you'll be prompted to create a global kit or use this kit to send internationally with an additional cost. Next, you'll move into the message section. This is where you can customize what your recipient will see when they redeem their kit. You'll add who the gift is from, write a quick message, and if you like, include a personal video for an additional cost. You'll then choose how the gift link will be sent out. You can send it immediately after checkout, schedule it for a specific date or time in Eastern Time, set custom delivery dates using a CSV that you'll send to hi@bystadium.com, or choose to send your link yourself, meaning Stadium will not send any invitations or reminder emails for this order. We do recommend setting up a reminder schedule through your own communications for best redemption and overall experience. If you don't want the recipients to see the items that they're receiving, uncheck this box here. Please note, any size or color options associated with the items will still be visible, so recipients can select their preferred variant. Next, in the customization section, you can customize the box with a branded box sticker, a premium box, or a custom printed note. The branded box sticker will appear on the outside of the box with a shipping label. The size of the box sticker must be 11 by 4 inches and no more than 5 megabytes, and can be uploaded here in the Edit Image button. If the image is not quite ready yet, click on I'll upload later and upload it in the order view. If the premium box is selected, Stadium will send your items in a sleek black box instead of our normal packaging. For a custom printed note, you can either write a message or upload an image that must be 1056 by 1630 pixels and no more than 5 megabytes, and it will be fitted in the inside of the flap of the box. At the payment section, you'll select your payment method, enter the billing code, and review the summary. For kitted swag boxes, you're paying for the fulfillment fee with the additional customizations if applicable. The taxes shown will cover the recipient gift. After payment, your order is created, and the shareable link or QR code will appear right away. With surprise recipients, there is no action required from the recipients. You'll provide all the required details like address, sizes, phone numbers upfront. You can add the recipients by entering the information manually, uploading a CSV using our template, or selecting from the list below. If needed, you'll be asked to set preferences for each of the recipients. Then you can write a quick note to be included in the gift. And like Recipient Redeem, you can select your customizations, then proceed to checkout. With surprise recipients, no link or QR code will be provided. We will start processing orders immediately. Next, we'll cover on-demand swag kits. Before creating an on-demand swag kit, you'll first need to have designs saved in your account. On-demand swag designs can be created by clicking on Start Designing button in the swag section of the platform. If you like more detailed walkthrough of the swag design process, please refer to the Save Design videos before continuing. Similar to pre-purchased swag kits, you'll head over to the kits and items, then click on Create a Kit, and then select On-Demand Swag. This will filter the products to display only your on-demand swag designs. From here, you can select the items you'd like to include in the kit by clicking on the products and then adding it to the kit. You can use the categories, filters, or search bar to assist you with your selection. If you're sending this kit to multiple countries, you can choose items from the global menu by clicking on the flag and then selecting global. Once you're done selecting, click on View and Send. Then, just like kitted swag boxes, you'll view your selected items, select your recipients, select how you'll like them to redeem their gift, and then check out. The only difference is the customization section is not available. Whether it is a kitted swag box or on-demand kit, your recipients will have one of the following experiences. For recipient redeem orders, when recipients click on the link or scan a QR code, they'll be taken directly to the redemption page. There, they can enter their shipping address, select any required preferences, such as size or colors, and submit. Once completed, their items will be prepared and shipped automatically. For surprise recipient orders, there's nothing for the recipients to do. Since all the information was provided during setup, the gift is shipped directly to them without a redemption step. To review and monitor the kits you've created, click on Kits and Item. Here, you'll be able to see your kits at a glance. Pre-purchased kits will be marked with a purple icon. When you open a kit, you can view everything that's inside the kit, check the remaining inventory for any pre-purchased swag, update the kit's name under Settings, and see how many recipients have redeemed the kits under Reports. If you'd like to review a specific gift associated with this kit, click on Send Gifts. In this section, you can see all the gift orders placed using that kit. To view any order in details, click on View Order. For surprise recipient orders, you'll be able to track the fulfillment process here. For recipient redeem orders, you can edit the recipient message, view a snapshot of the overall performance, review all the order details. Under recipient, you can see who has or has not redeemed their kit. You can remove an unredeemed recipient by clicking on Remove, or if you need to send a reminder email, use the envelope icon. If you need to add more recipients, whether it's a surprise recipient or recipient redeem kit, you can do so at any time by clicking on Add Recipients. You will be prompted to pay for the additional spots if you do exceed the original amount. If your kitted swag boxes has customizations, these options will appear here as well. You can update the box sticker, message, or notes as needed. Additional actions available in this order view includes editing the order name, viewing and copying the gift link, viewing and downloading the thank you messages, editing the recipient message, downloading the invoice or order and report, updating how you like to receive your thank you replies, or disabling the thank you note module entirely, expiring the order. When you expire any order, any unredeemed kits funds will be automatically returned to you in your Stadium wallet for future use. If you like to resend or reuse a kit, simply click on Send Items or Kit to start a new order. Lastly, once your kit is set, it can be used for automations or campaigns. We'll cover those features in a separate video.